In this video, we will show you how to use announcements and tasks to communicate with your students. To access the Announcements and Tasks module, click on Classroom Tools on the left side of the Moby Central homepage. Then, click on Announcements and Tasks. Near the top, you will see four main categories: Announcements, Tasks, Events, and Polls. Let's take a look at how to use each of these tools. You can create a class-wide announcement by clicking on Create Announcement. Announcements allow you to communicate information about updates, housekeeping items, or even to give words of encouragement. You can type the message you would like to send to your class, choose whether you want students to be able to respond as a class, and then choose the specific group you would like to send the announcement to. To finish, click Post Announcement. You will see all of your announcements as a list. The icons on the left of an announcement will allow you to add an additional comment, delete the announcement, or edit the announcement. Next, you can set an online or offline task for your class to complete by clicking on Tasks and then Create Task. Here, you can enter a title and a description of the task. You can change the date, set the group that you want to send it to, and then post the task. Next, you can create an event by clicking on Events and then click Create Event. Events are a useful tool to inform students about the happenings in the classroom, online, or even school-wide events and important dates. Here, you can enter a title for the event and a description. Again, you can choose whether to include comments from the entire class, what date the event will start and end, and what groups or classes will receive the announcement. Finally, you can create a class poll. You can use polls to ask for students' opinions or to ask questions related to topics covered as a class. First, click Create Poll, and then enter a question for your students. You can then add up to 5 answer choices and mark a correct answer if there is one. Students will see announcements, tasks, events, and polls in their student accounts when they log in. They just need to click the Communication button in their student account and then click on Announcements and Tasks. Here, they can click through their announcements, tasks, events, and polls and respond if needed.